How to share data in GlobeOne app. Need to share mobile data fast? Here's how you can do it in the GlobeOne application. So first, go ahead and open the GlobeOne application and log in with your Globe or TM numbers. And then go ahead and choose the account or mobile number you want to share data from. Click on it and then tap the share data button from the quick actions menu. After that, enter the Globe or TM number of the person you want to share your data to, and then select the amount of data that you want to share, like 1 gig or 2 gig, and then confirm the transaction, and you'll get a text and the recipient receives the data instantly. And that is how you can basically share data in Globe One quickly and easily. Stay connected with family and friends.